Hi everybody, so we are going to discuss about how to integrate MemberMouse with WPForo. Actually, this is an easy integration, but there are a few things which are not updating as it should, and I will show you how to solve this issue. First of all, let's suppose that you have installed MemberMouse in WPForo, and let's see how it actually looks. So we're going to check the members under the forum settings here under the forums category. So you will just have to look at members URL structure. You have either user ID or user nice name, or so you can choose any of this, it's no problem. But when you choose username, user nice name, you will see that there are some issues which I will explain and I'll offer the solution. And then you have custom authorization URLs, and here you just have to add your MemberMouse login link. So if it's something like this, you add this because you will want when people will log into MemberMouse to be automatically logged in to WPForo. And these are just the basic settings. There are a lot of settings, of course, in WPForo, but we're going to discuss only about this because these are the essential ones in our integration. And let's see how this will actually work. I'm logged in here as an user, and I would like to update this. Okay, so let me just turn off this one because I will explain a little later. And I would like to show you if it will update, for example, the display name. I'm here in WPForo, my profile page, and let's change from inside MemberMouse account the first name, and let's see if it will actually update. So I will update. Okay, account is updated, and let me refresh to see if we will actually see the change. So it is not visible, and we want to actually update this one too because we have to be consistent with MemberMouse accounts and have the same display name or the same username. For example, if I will change the username, the problem will be the same. Let's say, for example, I have this one. Okay, I will be logged out because I have changed the username. I will log out in just a minute and see what happens. Okay, let's see if it has updated the username. Okay, you'll see an error page because the link to the profile, it is based on the user nice name, which was based on the username. So this is not working properly. It is a problem, and we will have to solve it. So first of all, we will have to create a PHP file which we will add to FTP to the themes file, themes folder. So that file, as I said, it will be a PHP file, and you have to just copy this code from here. It's not very big, and just add it to your PHP file and upload it to FTP. Of course, you need to choose to have a child theme because this will allow you to have all these changes in one place and not be overridden when you update your theme. And after that, we will just have to create a push notification in MemberMouse, which will actually trigger this code when user profile is updated. So I have created here, as I told you before. It is inactive now, let's see how it looks. So you have to go to MemberMouse developer tools and then create push notification. I have created already this one, so I will make it active, and then the event is member account updated. The action is call a custom script, and here you just have to enter the URL to the file which you have already created. It is the PHP file, and then click on push notification. Now it is active, it is enabled, so I will just have to see how it behaves. I will let's see, I will update the display name. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I have updated. Let's see if I will be able to find it. Okay, but first of all I will also need to change the username, just to be sure that we are doing the right thing. So let's come back to the other one, update. I will be logged out. Just a moment. Okay, so let's see. I'll go to the profile page, and as you can see, the profile page is working just fine because the link, it is updated, and also the display name, it is updated, it is like it is here, so everything works just fine. I hope you will find this useful, and thank you for watching.